this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week we're going to be doing some fall nail stamping. I have this plate here, it's called JR20. I'm going to be using the two scarecrow images right here at the corner side. Right here. Those are the ones I think I'm going to use. For SheModern products, I have got my SheModern scraper. SheModern.com. And I'm going to be using two sticky stamping polishes, which is the Pearl Peacock and the Sticky Neon Pink. We're going to be using those along with two of the foils, the blue and the red. So wish me luck that this turns out right. I'd be a little nervous. Oh, let me get my paper towel. I think we are ready to go. I think we are ready. Oh, where is it? I have got my new reinforced stamper by SheModern. You're going to love this stamper. It is a clear jelly stamper. You can take the head off. And like this says, this is stamping, what does it say? Jelly stamper force resistance. There is a plate inside, a clear plastic plate that can come off the back of the stamper. You just stick this inside there. Whoopsie. Let me put it back on this way. Tap perfectly on the bottom of your jelly stamper. Slide these in. And there's your stampers. Clean the fingerprints off. You don't want no fingerprints on your stampers. Clean that off. We have already swatched over the image with a cotton round and some remover. I'm having a brain fart. This image, this plate is too cute. It's your stamper. And you're always going to have a little bit of excess image from the ones around. Just get your lint roller, your piece of tape, and remove it. So we got our image. We want it kind of towards the bottom of the nail. I'm going to put some leaves here up above. Clean my plate. I got some leaf Fimos. Thinking about putting these on. I think these would be really cute. Next we're going to go in for the girl's image and put that on the ring finger. Again, I'm going to clean my stamper with the lint roller. Then I'm going in with the pink sticky polish. And we're going to cover the girl scarecrow. Get our scraper. Beautiful, beautiful pickup as always. With, I can't talk. SheModern sticky stamping polishes. They're astronomical. They're unbelievable. They pick up perfect every single time. And there's my girl scarecrow. We put her on the stand here so you can see them both together. Excuse me. I think these are really super cute. So that is our stamping for today. Put that there. Always keep this for next time. Clean your lint roller before you put her away. And you can buy this as well as the stamping polishes. And SheModern.com. I am a brand ambassador for SheModern. I'll put my code across the bottom of the screen. It is NailedIt67. So yeah, you can save yourself 10% off your total bill. And if you watch Tina's live videos every other week or every week, you can save yourself a percentage off your bill as well there too. I am going to be using the foils. I've not used these before over a sticky image, not her foils at least. So we're going to go in and see how this does. I'm just going to take the whole sheet. Tina cuts a portion of it. And she doesn't rub, she holds it down on the image. I'm assuming for heat transfer. That's what I'm going to do. And it worked, it worked. A little bit of excess here on the side, which I'm going to try to scrape off. There is the girl in red. We're going to do the boy in blue. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, I'm trying to get my finger in here. I'm going to rub this just a tad. Hold on the nail with my finger. Oh, I guess you get in frame. I'm sorry. I'm just pressing down on the nail over the foil. That is it. And we have got a perfect transfer. Sorry about that. Thought for sure I was going to drop them. So I think that is really super cute. Remove those. Now for some top coat, which is I'm going to use by Beauty. It is a UMIC US brand. They are sister companies. This is a no wipe top coat, so check Beauty out on Amazon. Great priced items. They got a lot of 21-piece collections. So we're going to top coat our nails. We are going to put some Fimos on. We're going to put some bling on. SheModern does make a foil sealer, which I don't have. I'm really not sure about it, so I don't have it. I don't know. I've used foils before and I've never had a problem of them wrinkling, smearing, anything, so I don't know. I'm going to have to talk to Tina more about that, see what it's about. See what it's about. Okay, the nails are top coated. I do have some bling I want to use also. I've got red. Shoot. Well, there was a golden color in here, which are now all over my mat. Sorry about that, I'm trying to scoop these over, turn them right side up. No clear this week, no clear. I'm going to take some of my leaves out, put them in a dish. So here are some leaf Fimos. And my wax picker upper. I'm going to put a few of these about the nail. Give some different color. Just a couple. Just a couple. There we go. Put some over here by the boy. Oh, yeah, orange one. Gotta have some orange. I definitely want to put some bling on. Which, excuse my gem placement here because I've not like really thought this out. I'm not even in frame, was I? Sorry about that. Straighten your gems on your nail. Make sure they are where you want them to be before you put them in the lamp. So we're going to try some for some of the littles. We're going to space them out kind of sparse. Make sure you brace your hand. It makes it easier for your stability. Okay, we got that nail finished. Go over here to the middle nail. Oh, buddy. Whoopsie. Hope everybody's having a nice fall so far. Temperatures here in Michigan can't seem to make up their mind. One day it's 60. Next day it is... Whoops. Let me get this big one off here. I want the littles. And I don't have enough out. Shoot. We just got the big ones out here. Oh boy, we need one more little one. All we got are the big ones. Where's my dish? I got one more in here. Little mouse. After you shall receive. So here's our fall manicure. I'm going to stick this in the lamp for a full cure, which means a full 60 seconds on the clock. I guess I should plug the lamp in. Push her back in there, get 60 seconds on the clock, and we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back. I'll show you the nails in just a brief momento. Again, I want to show you the clear jelly stamper. It is force resistance, which means you can do this all you want. It's not going to cave in on you. You're good. You are golden. Alright, it comes with the top. Check this out on SheModern. This is the foils that she now offers. There are 100 sheets. Supposed to be 100 sheets in here, so you'll have it for a long time. Check these out on the catalog for SheModern.com. You won't be disappointed. Now, without further ado, here are our nails. This is our fall SheModern manicure. These turned out really cute. I think the females was a nice touch. Nice addition to fall. Got the colorful fall leaves. Oh, I went there 2 scarecrows. I think that turned out really cute with the foils over them. We have pink. I say pink, but it's red and blue. Boy and girl. And our bling. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my fall mani for SheModern Saturday. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. That way you get notified of all uploads, as well as any giveaways I may be having. That is all for today. We will see you next Saturday. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.